My dear students, we have to consider a few more points about the effective cover letter. Effective cover letters restate specific job requirements identified in the ad, followed by a brief statement reflecting the applicant's qualities. It is very important. You got an ad, you know that what are the specific job requirements. You have to match the specific job requirements with the applicant's skills and qualities. So if you would get a better match, it is a good idea to apply for that particular position. When an applicant is responding to an ad that qualifies for the every way, the end result can be very impressive. How it can be very impressive? Here is the job. Here is the person with some specific skills and knowledge and qualification, and it is a match. So, person, job, and match. This is an impressive ending of any particular cover letter. Number 5. Cover letter that demonstrate knowledge of the employers are nice touch, if not overdone. So you don't need to overdone, but it nicely present the history and the background of the employer. It must demonstrate the knowledge about the employer. For example, an applicant might write now, in inverted commas, now that Bixby Industries has expanded its product base as a result of its acquisition of Triad Inc. I would like to offer my expertise, extensive expertise in marketing and become a part of your exciting new work environment. So you are actually presenting, you are actually demonstrating the background, the initiative of one particular organization about their marketing activities, and you are presenting your marketing expertise for that particular company. So this is a very good idea that you demonstrate the company information, knowledge about their products, about their marketing activities, so you can link those activities with your expertise. This shows that applicant has taken the time to do some research and has bothered to incorporate the research into a personalized letter. So in a cover letter, you have to mention some of the research about the company, you have to mention some of their activities, and you have to match those activities with your skills and expertise. So it is a great idea to mention such kind of things in your personalized cover letter. Number 6, well-written cover letters stress how the applicant's skills or prior experience can benefit the employer in terms of meeting its need. Every employer has needs. You have to highlight the needs of an employer, and then you have to highlight your applicant's skills and prior experience, and then you have to match. You can help them solving their problem or increasing their revenue. A brief example or two of how the applicant has met an employer's need in the past is an ideal. So you have to give some examples from your past job that how you fulfill the employer needs in terms of a better marketing activities, in terms of the better revenue, in terms of a better profitability. So it is a great idea that you can mention your expertise in a cover letter in terms of providing some benefits to your past employer. And number 7, good cover letter should not overplay the applicant's hands. Many applicants submit cover letters that are effective right up until the end. Then they come across as too pushy. It is not a good idea to be too pushy by saying something like that. After reading my resume, I am sure you'll agree there is no point in looking any further. This is very pushy statement. Another pushy statement can be, there's no doubt that I am in the right person for this job. And then you may say, and not a good idea to say such kind of things, I will call you on Thursday and arrange to come in so we can talk face to face. Regardless of how qualified a person may appear to be, this approach can be perceived as too intense, and this is not a good idea. So you are forced to ask yourself a series of questions as an HR manager. Can I overlook this extreme proactive approach? This is a proactive approach, but it is extreme proactive approach. It is too pushy. It is not a good idea to push yourself towards an organization. Is it reflective of how the individual approaches tasks? If so, it is desirable approach. Will that approach fit in with our corporate culture? So you have to ask such kind of question. If some applicant is too pushy, then you have to answer these questions, and then you have to respond according to the answers of the applicants about it.